Students, good morning everybody. Previous class I discussed unit 2 and 3. Today we discuss unit 4. Unit 4 says that doctor's treatment towards Gopal in critical situations that about 8 in the evening the patient opened his eyes and stepped slightly in bed. Means after treatment the patient's has improved, slightly improved. That means his eyes opened and still slightly in bed. Stayed, what means stayed? Stayed means looked slightly in bed. In the laying in bed, the assistant was overjoyed at seeing the when the make movement of his eyes in laying bed Gopal's conditions. The assistant nurse was very overjoyed. Exclaimed enthusiastically. Enthusiastically means very interestingly said that, sir, he will pull through because he will recover his life. What will recover his life? Gopal's came back from his real life, having sense. The doctor looked at me coldly and whispers, I would give anything to see through but the heart. I would give anything to see him through but the heart remains. Then the pulse has improved, sir. Who said? The nurse said this pulse means what do you mean the pulse? Pulse means means nadi kant. The pulse has improved. Well, replied doctor. Don't trust it. Don't trust means faith. Don't faith it. It is all the false flash of. False flash of means just increasing, not truly he was correct. Just he was improved. So there is not worry for this thing very common in these cases. These cases I have very much explained that in the some common in these cases. He ruminated for a while and added, he ruminated for a while and added, who? The doctor. If the pulse will keep up till 8 in the morning, it will go on for next 40 years. If the pulse will keep up the till 8 in the morning, 8 in the morning, till the 8 in the morning, we hope that he will get the next 40 years will be live. But I doubt very much we shall see anything of it all after tonight. I doubt very much we shall see anything of it in after tonight. We also observe it that what happens that Gopal's conditions. He sent out the assistant and sat beside the patient. At about 11, the patient opened his eyes and smiled at his friend. He sent out the assistant and sat beside the patient. He sent away the assistant. He himself sat beside the patient's bed and looked at the patient's conditions. At the moment, the patient opened his eyes and smiled at his friend. He showed a slight improvement has increased of Gopal's health conditions. Gopal's health condition has slightly improved. He was able to take in a little food. A great feeling of relief and joy went through the household. A excitement and joyness was spread over the household. They swarmed about the doctor and poured out their gratitude. They swarmed. Swarmed means the gathering. Swarmed means engagement. And around the doctor and poured about their gratitude. Gratitude means very joyness. Your desire. He sat in his side beside the bed and gazing sternly at the patient's face. He himself sat in the bed and gazing looked at the patient's conditions very thoroughly. Next only patients hardly showing any signs of hearing that without turning his head, hearing what they are saying to him. Hardly showing any signs of hearing what they were saying to him. The sick man's wife asked, "Is he now out of danger?" Very interestingly said asked the doctor about his husband's mm, health conditions. He obviously thought that if his wife, his husband was out of danger. Without turning his head, the doctor said, "Give glucose and brandy every 40 minutes. Your duty," in asked very gorgeously sound. "Your duty is to give your husband every 40 minutes, in every 40 minutes, a brandy and a glucose for health concerns. Just a couple of spoons will do." The lady went away to kitchen. She felt restless. Restless means what is the very harassment. Felt about her. Felt she must know the truth, whatever it was. He wanted to know the truth, the real conditions, the real matter of the patient, of the her husband, real conditions. So the lady went away to the kitchen. She felt restless. She felt must know the truth, whatever it was. Why was the great man so evasive? The suspense was unbearable. Perhaps he could not speak so near the patient's asked. What about him? How is he? What is suspense? The suspense is spread over her mind. What was the matter of his husband's conditions? How is he? Doctor beat his lips and replied, "Looking at the floor, don't get excited. Looking at the floor, don't be excited or jealous about unless you must know about it. Don't ask now." Her eyes opened with wide terror. Terror means the very danger of the wife. The wife looked very harassment in conditions of the Dr. Rama. To Dr. Rama. He clasped her hands together and implored, "Tell me the truth." The doctor replied, "It would rather not to talk to you about now." He turned around and went back to the chair. A terrible wailing shot through the still house. The patient still looked about his bewilderment. The doctor got up again and went over the kitchen door and drew it securely and shut up the walls. Dr. Raman sat beside the bed silently and looked at the patient's face. At that moment, the patient Gopal also looked at Dr. Raman's face very bewilderedly. Bewilderment is very confusement. Looked upward. Then topic we discuss about the unit 5. Unit 5 says about that. Unit 5 says about what? Unit 5 says about. In these conditions, the Dr. Raman does not want to leave conditions in critical conditions. So he sat beside him and looked at him very concernedly, very delicately, and wanted to survive his life. When the doctor resumed his seat, the patient asked faintest voice. At the moment he resumed his seat, when the resumed his seat, when the sat on his seat, when the sat on the chair, at the moment the patient whispered his name. Whispered means very said with very silently. Possible. Is that someone crying? If anyone crying at the outside of the door, Dr. Abhay, don't accept yourselves. Don't tire. Accept means of tiredness. You must not talk anything about it. You must not think about anything. The matter, it felt the pulse, it was already agitated by the exertions. It was already agitated by the exertion, by tiredness. By tiredness, you are very much worried. You are very much worried. You are very much angry. The patient asked, "Am I going?" "Don't hide it from me." Doctor made a deprecating noise and sat back. Deprecating noise. Deprecating which expressed disapproval angrily said that. And sat beside him. He had never faced situations like this. It was not his nature to bypass. It was not his nature to bypass. Bypass means make operations. People attached a great value of this word because of that. In this situation, doctors words, people liked of this words of the that like. Each situation, each words very important for the patient. Patients. Because of that, we stole a look at other. He stole a look at the other. He stole a look. Stole a look means looking at the besidely. The कोने की नहीं बात कर रहा हूँ कोने की नहीं I must know the patient motioned a finger to draw the nearer whispers. I must know how long I am going to last. The patient said that I must know I am how long I am going to last. I must sign the will. I must sign the will. Will means the willingness, the will paper, the bond paper. I am writing my own willingness. But I am not I am not living forever. So I am writing a will on the bond papers. For my ask my wife for the dispatch box. You must sign as witness. I am not living so much, so I want to my willingness on the papers. So you should be the witness of the paper. Oh, the doctor exclaimed, you are accepting your students. You are very much tired of the much. You make very small. You must be quieter. He felt the idiot with the repeating it. By repeating, you are idiot. You are so foolish. How fine it would be reflected to drop all the business and run out of somewhere without answering anybody any questions. The patient closed the doctor's wrist. At the moment when the doctor wanted to leave that place, the patient closed the doctor's wrist and his weak fingers and said, Ramu, it is my good fortune that you are here at this moment. It is my good luck in my life because you are in the present at the moment. I can trust your word. I can leave my property unsettled. The will mean endless misery of my wife and children. The will means what? The endless misery of my wife and the children. You know all about the Surya and his young. You know. Let me sign before to tell me. Yes, presently replied the yes, replied the doctor. He walked up to his car and sat in the big seat and reflected. He straightly went to the car and exit. He looked at his watch at the time of midnight. If the will was new, the science is must be done within the next 2 hours or never. If the will was to be signed, it must be done within the next 2 hours or never. They could not be responsible for the mess there. They could not be responsible for the mess. Mess means there was a crowd there. He knew well the family affairs about those hopes, Surya and its needs. He also knew well the family affairs of the Surya, those wolves and Surya and his young. Also remember about his story of his life. But what could do? If he asked him to sign the will, it would virtually mean the death sentence or destroy the thousandth part of the chance the person had survival. If the sign the will of the will paper, the death is collapsed, remained collapsed. He got down from the car and went in. He resumed his seat in the chair. The passenger staring at him, appealing, very approachingly, sat beside the patient, very appealingly about to speak. The doctor said to himself, if my word can save his life, he shall not die. To do a piece of acting before a patient, simulate a feeling of conceal about his judgment. Conceal totally of his judgment, hide his to stimulate a feeling of his judgment. She eyed his judgment. She stopped over the passage and said his deliberate emphasis. Don't worry about the will now. Not to worry about the will now. You are going to live. Your heart is deliberately emphasis. Don't worry about the will. You are going to live. Your heart is absolutely sound. You are going to not worry about this, your life. Danger of life. You are going to live. A new glow suffused the patient's face as he heard it. He asked to say, if it comes to my lips, it must be true. Doctor said, quite right. You are improving every minute, every second, sleeping pace. Your life is very sound, your life is very secure. So you are improving every minutes or every seconds. You must not exert yourselves or any counts. No, you don't worry about your lives or your family. You must take your son. I'll see you in the morning. The person looked at me, grateful at the moment, and then closed his eyes. The doctor picked up his bag and went out, shutting the door softly behind him. After saying these words, doctor went to and pushed and went out, shutting the door softly behind him. At the moment, the life is very secure for the Gopal after saying the words of, by listening the words of doctors. So doctors words very important for every patients. Just discuss about this matter. 4 and 5. I also provide the summary of unit 4 and 5. If any doubts, any words of the critical meaning, you can message or call me.